That's the sound of a man. Look at the trail. Yeah, some nice things we're finding, but having a good time. On the trail, like it is shaded. It is hot, but this part is shaded. Have my boots on, some good boots. Got some boots. Of course, they've been used, but nonetheless, I recommend anyone, if you are getting boots or anything like that, make sure you break those boots in before you try to do hike or anything. Also, pro tip, put you some inserts in your boots, some inserts for sports or something like that, but break them in first. Break those boots in first, then put your inserts in. You break it in first, then put your inserts. That way, if something happens, you're able to do what you need to do. So we're on the trail, nature style, and wanted to be sure. No, you good. Y'all good. I'm just recording. The walnuts on the ground. Trail. Happy trails, people. Should have shown you the first. Cool. Pretty cool. The trail is pretty cool so far. About 10, 11, 12 of us that are on the trail. Yeah. Some little huskies, cute dogs.
Huskies. Vote.
Wow.
Campsites are this way.
Because if you keep going this way, it's going to...
Let's see the
When you
campsite.
first come in where the gate is.
With the nature center thing is?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, okay.
Not all the
we're
way.
going to head this way, but everybody was ready to break off here. That's incredible. Yeah, this takes you all the way up there.
1.2. No, you can't.
In the camp.
It's only $1 million ago.
And yeah. So we're out here on the trail. Pretty cool.